In a globalized economy with the expanding cross-border production chains and growing trade within the entities of the same group, advanced pricing can significantly bring down tax litigation and provide tax certainty to foreign investors. Though the provision for advanced pricing agreement has been included in the DTC Bill 2010, I propose to bring forward its implementation by introducing it in the Finance Bill 2012. Reforms in the financial sector have been pursued with the objective of more efficient market intermediation between savers and investors. To encourage flow of savings in financial instruments and improve the depth of domestic capital market, it is proposed to introduce a new scheme called Rajiv Gandhi Equity Savings Scheme. This scheme would allow for income tax deduction of 50% to new retail investors who invest up to 50,000 rupees directly in equities and whose annual income is below rupees 10 lakh. This scheme will have a lock-in period of 3 years. The details will be announced in due course. During the year 2011-12, we took series of steps to deepen the capital market and encourage investment in infrastructure sector. These steps included raising FII investment limit in long-term infrastructure bonds, corporate bonds, and government securities. The limit on external commercial borrowing was also raised, and qualified foreign investors were allowed to invest in specified Indian mutual funds and directly in equities. I now propose to take the next steps in deepening the reforms of the capital market by allowing qualified foreign investors to access Indian corporate bond market, simplifying the process of issuing initial public offers, lowering their costs and helping companies reach more retail investors in small towns. To achieve this, in addition to the existing IPO process, I propose to make it mandatory for companies to issue IPOs of rupees 10 crore and above in electronic form through the nationwide broker network of stock exchanges, providing opportunities for wider shareholder participation in important decisions of the companies through electronic voting facilities, besides existing process for shareholder voting, which would be made mandatory initially for top listed companies, and permitting two-way fungibility of Indian depository receipts subject to a ceiling with the objective of encouraging greater foreign participation in Indian capital market.